So today's video is riveting a chain. For this purpose, we won't grease up the chain so you can see what's happening. So first thing is your master link, put your O-rings on, slide it onto the chain, and then we're going to put it into here so that it lines up. We'll just push the link over the top of the existing ones, making sure that we put both our O-rings over the existing master link. We'll then use our tool here, but it has to line up with position B, just on here, so that when you're riveting down, it rivets over the correct link. Making sure that your tool is the right way around, not for removing the link, but for riveting the link over. First thing we have to do is push the chain down to the correct tension. You'll see here that sits over the top of the chain. And we'll compress it down first off, but that's from position A. Right, we'll just tighten this down. Holding it with a double spanner. So you can see the chain link wants to go down. It's only just punched on the top there. It needs to come down at least 1.5 mm so that we can rivet the end over. So you can see now we've actually punched it through the correct amount. So it goes back into the chain tool. We line it up with B, and then we're going to use the anvil to push over the end, which is this one here, and it will mushroom the end over to stop the chain link coming off. Line up with B. It will take a considerable amount of force to bellow the end over. But you should now be able to see that the end is mushroomed over and that chain is now fit for use.